Have you ever hit a small financial milestone, maybe your first $5,000 saved, and instead of feeling proud, you felt a little lost? Like, okay, now what? What do I actually do next? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. For most people, that first $5,000 is the hardest money they'll ever save. It comes from sacrifice, skipping nights out, saying no to impulse buys, working extra hours, and pushing through the moments you wanted to give up. So today, let's talk about 5 powerful decisions that can transform what happens next. Decisions that can take your $5,000 and turn it into the foundation of real wealth, stability, and long-term confidence with money. First, decision 1. Build your safety net before anything else. Most people want to skip this part. I get it. Saving isn't exciting. Investing is. But here's the truth. If you invest before you build protection, one emergency can destroy years of progress. So with your first $5,000, the smartest move is to put $1,000 to $2,000 into a real emergency fund. Not for investing, not for crypto, not for making your money work, just for protecting yourself. Because the moment your car breaks down or a medical bill shows up, you don't want to be forced to swipe a credit card at 25% interest. That's how people spiral. A small emergency fund is your financial seatbelt. It doesn't make the drive more exciting, but it makes sure you survive a crash. Once that seatbelt is on, you're ready for decision 2. Pay off any high-interest debt, no exceptions. If you're carrying any debt over 10% interest, credit cards, buy now, pay later, personal loans, this one decision will save your financial future. Picture this. Your investments might make 7 to 10% a year, but your credit card charges you 20% or more. You don't need a finance degree to see the math. Paying off high-interest debt is the same as getting a guaranteed return on your money. No investment on earth can promise that. So take a portion of your $5,000 and crush that debt. Your future self will thank you for the peace and the breathing room. Now we get to the part everyone loves. Investing. Decision 3 is to start automating your wealth, even if it's just $50 a week. The secret most beginners don't know is that automation beats motivation.
The most powerful move you can make isn't picking a fancy stock. It's turning investing into a habit. Set up automatic weekly or monthly deposits into simple, beginner-friendly investments, like an S&P 500 index fund, a total stock market fund, or a retirement account like a Roth IRA. Even $50 a week grows into something incredible when you stop relying on willpower. You don't need to time the market. You just need consistency. Decision 4 will probably surprise you. Buy back hours of your life that make you money. Use a small part of your $5,000 to increase your earning power. Buy a course that teaches the skill you want to master. Upgrade your laptop so you can freelance without frustration. Get software that helps you design, code, or manage clients. If spending $200 or $300 helps you earn an extra $200 a month, that's not an expense. That's an engine. Most people keep trying to save more money when the real unlock is earning more. Your skills compound faster than your investments. Finally, decision 5 is about protecting your future self from your current self. Give every single dollar a job, because if you don't tell your money where to go, it will just disappear. Once you hit 5,000, create a simple system: a future wealth account, a bills and essentials account, a short-term goals account, and yes, even a small fun money account. The goal isn't to be strict, it's to be intentional. Once your money has structure, the stress disappears. You stop feeling guilty about spending and anxious about saving. You start feeling in control. Your first $5,000 is more than a number. It's a turning point. It's the moment where saving small amounts becomes building real wealth, where your financial life stops happening to you and starts happening because of you. If you make these 5 decisions, protect yourself, eliminate toxic debt, automate your investing, upgrade your skills, and give your money structure, you're not just managing money. You're building a future you'll thank yourself for one steady step at a time.